We're looking live downtown here in Indianapolis today. It's now 12:15. We've got some snow on the roofs, but it continues to melt because of the March heat. I guess 42 degrees could be considered heat. Let's bring Lindsay back in to find out about the rain that we're expecting today. When is this expected?
Right, so if we haven't gotten rid of that snow just yet, it's certainly going to be gone after some heavy rain tonight. Okay. Now, some stray showers possible this afternoon, but the real heavy stuff probably not until after about 7 o'clock tonight. Okay. So we have some time if you need to run some errands, get out and about, and maybe just avoid some of the snow if you've been putting it off because this weekend was a little messy. We started our day with sunshine, and a lot of that snow has melted off of our local roadways. This is a live picture here at I-70 at the South Split. Not looking too bad, but we still have quite a bit of snow on those grassy surfaces. In fact, this snow was significant. It was the 5th highest snowfall in a 24-hour span of time that we've had ever on recorded history. That goes back to 1871. So 10.2, that official number from the Indianapolis airport. Substantial snowfall. In fact, it was half of the snow that we've seen so far this season. That number stands at 20.6. And we're going to change from snow talking about all rain now. The cloud cover has already moved in, and we're watching this developing storm system closer to St. Louis, making its way into southern Illinois now. That's going to be our big rainmaker getting into the evening tonight. So that commute home, temperatures will hold steady in the lower 50s, right near 50 through 5 p.m., and then some stray showers. First, we'll move in after about 6, but the widespread stuff not until later tonight. Here's that timeline with Future Track 13. Notice we'll keep that overcast sky around, and then the pockets of heavy rain really developing through the central part of the state. 10 o'clock tonight. Maybe even some rumbles of thunder as we get through the overnight as well. Not anticipating any severe weather, though. Here we go into 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. This is when that rain redevelops for your morning drive. The timing, I know, not great, so let's prepare for it now. Going to be a little slow go out there on our roadways early tomorrow morning through 7 a.m. We're still going to be tracking heavy pockets of rain. Chuck will be back with you tomorrow morning. We'll get into tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Really, the rain doesn't go anywhere. Now, I don't do this all that often, but I am going with a 100% chance of rain overnight tonight and then through the course of the day on Tuesday. Really not going to get out of here until we look ahead at the first part of the day on Wednesday. A significant amount of rainfall at that. Weather models now showing us anywhere from 2, possibly 2.5 inches now through Wednesday afternoon. We have a couple of other storm systems later in the week, Thursday and Friday, that will also tack onto that rainfall potential, leading to a flooding threat. We're talking late Tuesday night through Friday. We could potentially mix that 1 to 2, possibly 3 inches of rainfall with that snowpack that is melting. That will lead to some of our local rivers starting to rise, some lowlands starting to possibly flood. We'll have to watch out for some of those low-lying locations, some agricultural lands also starting to flood near our creeks and rivers. Something that we're going to have to deal with as we're looking ahead at more of a springtime weather pattern. We'll go 50 today, 57 tomorrow, so a bit warmer as we get into the middle part of the week. Unfortunately, we have a lot more rain to talk about come Thursday. Another storm system moves in. 58 degrees on Thursday, a touch cooler on Friday, and then next weekend finally looks like we get in on some more dry time in time for the holiday, with your temperatures holding steady in the low to upper 50s. Scott.